Let's have a coffee chat with HelloFresh. Today we learn how HelloFresh improved customer experience. They reduced the latency of their app for North American, Australian, and New Zealand customers by 50%. So now we are very curious to learn from Lobna, Senior Product Manager, how they did that. Lobna, can you share us what's your goal behind this project?
At HelloFresh, we deal with customer experience as our North Star metric. And we are moving towards a world where we want our application to become the #1 digital companion for food for all our customers. And with this, performance becomes a must-have and not a nice-to-have anymore. User journey performance is now one of our main success metrics to build the right engaging feature for our customers.
What problem did you need to solve while having the customer centricity approach?
Right now, we are serving all our customers from one region. HelloFresh has grown into 3 continents, and our infrastructure was still placed in one place. And this is where we started expanding our infrastructure globally, and the answer was very simple. We want compute and data to be in the right location, in the closest region to our customers.
What did you build on AWS and on our global infrastructure?
We built a platform on top of Amazon EKS. And what we wanted to do was we wanted to expand our infrastructure to 3 main regions. We wanted to stay in the EU to serve our customers in the EU. So a German customer should get a response from Germany. But at the same time, we want to make sure that an Australian customer gets their response from Oceania. And for California customers, they definitely have to get their responses from North America. So what we did was we co-located the customer data. We used DMS to migrate the data around the world. And now we have all the user journeys running from the same region for our customers. And this decreased our latency significantly, especially when we added edge routing, which is a smart way to route traffic to the right region.
How did that result into business impact?
I think it was very clear because our latency for the Canadian market, for example, dropped 50%. And this gave us huge budget to build other things on top. So now that our latency has decreased, we have the leeway to actually build more personalized user journeys. We have the leeway to build further capabilities that might require a little bit more time in response, but still be within the thresholds that customers would accept and would stay satisfied within.
We're here to learn from you. So what advice would you give other AWS customers if they are in a similar journey?
Lever all the AWS capabilities that you have, standardize the way you work, and keep everything in one platform. Have a holistic user journey for your developers, because if your developers are working productively and efficiently, your user journeys are now flourishing.